Morning class 8 subject science microorganisms friends and foes nitrogen fixations roots of a leguminous plants with root nodules present in the figure. Nitrogen is essential for plants growth. Nitrogen is used by living organisms to produce complex organic molecules such as proteins. These molecules are essential to sustain life. Plant cannot grow without nitrogen. Nitrogen is present in huge amount in the air. Plants cannot use it directly. Most plants obtain nitrogen in the form of nitrates. The soil along with water. Soil is continuously being supplied with nitrate molecules through the nitrogen cycle. Role of microorganism in nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Plants and animals waste, excretions and urine contain nitrogen in the form of nitrogenous compound. Nitrogenous compound. When such organic matter mix with the soil, फिर वो क्या होता है, जब वो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर में मिल जाते हैं, इट डिकम्पोजेज द सॉइल फंजाई एंड बैक्टीरिया. फंजाई एंड बैक्टीरिया डिकम्पोज द ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, कन्वर्ट इनटू नाइट्रेट. कन्वर्ट इनटू किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? नाइट्रेट में. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज नाइट्रिफिकेशन. नाइट्रिफिकेशन. Nitrates are soluble in water and are absorbed by the roots along with the water. Certain kinds of bacteria living in the wet soil convert nitrates into nitrogen gas or nitrous oxide gas, which is returned to the atmosphere. This process is known as denitrification. Denitrification. Cleaning the environment. Bacteria and fungi decompose organic matter. This nature's way of cleaning the environment. There are certain bacteria that can decompose petroleum waste. Such bacteria are especially useful in cleaning oil spill in ocean water. Some bacteria can also decompose sewage, help in reductions of environment pollutions. Uses of other microorganisms. Some bacteria produce poisons that kill insect. Bacteria are, however, not harmful to other form of life. Such bacteria can use to control plant pest. Nitrogen cycle. Atmospheric nitrogen, then nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae fix atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen, then bacteria in turn fix nitrogen into nitrogenous compound, then go mix compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Then next, bacteria turn compound of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen and mix in the atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric, second term, atmospheric nitrogen lightning and mix in the compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Compounds of nitrogen in the soil mix in uptake by plants, mix the plants and animals eat plants. Plants को फिर कौन खाता है? Animals. Then nitrogenous waste excretions and death, यानी decomposers mix in the compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Next harmful microorganism. Harmful microorganism cause disease in animals and plants. Harmful disease causing microorganisms in animals and human beings. We have seen these books. Communicable, such as dysentery, tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera, are caused by bacteria. Some of the most harmful diseases such as polio, Ebola, influenza, dengue, chikungunya, rabies, and AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, are caused by certain viruses. Highly contagious disease such as foot and mouth disease that infected cattle and several other animals are caused by virus. Fungi. Candida species cause serious skin and lung infection in humans as well as animals. The excreta of pigeons has fungi, bacteria, protozoa that can cause disease in human being. A fungus, Aspergillus flavus. Aspergillus flavus produce several dangerous poisons when it grows on stock feed as ground nuts. One of the poisons called alpha toxin. Alpha toxin, when eaten, cause illness and sometimes death of cattle. Valuable insects such as honeybees and silkworm are at times destroyed by certain types of bacteria. Amoebic dysentery. A protozoan called Amoeba histolytica causes a disease called amoebic dysentery. It attacks the walls of intestine and feeds upon red blood cells. These cells, the germs, are present in the faces of infected people and can be transmitted by flies. किसके थ्रू ट्रांसमिटेड होता है? फ्लाई के थ्रू. The use of untreated human sewage as manure for vegetables can cause this disease. Malaria. Next one is malaria. Malaria is caused by a protozoan parasite called Plasmodium vivax. मलेरिया प्रोटोजोआ की से होता है और क्या होता है? प्लाज्मोडियम विवैक्स. It lives in the female Anopheles mosquito. When the female Anopheles mosquito carrying Plasmodium vivax bites a human being, the parasites are introduced into the human's blood. If the parasites multiply, they destroy the red blood cells in large number and the person suffer from malaria.